Welcome to your creative superpower. These are the tools that turn imagination into impact, whether you're creating videos, images, written content, or audio. With AI by your side, you're not just making content. You're building an empire. Let's dive in. Video is where the attention is. Grok, Meta AI, Hagen, and Google Veo 3 create stunning videos in minutes. Kling AI and Robo Neo push the boundaries of what's possible. Add talking avatars with Synthesia and Hydra. Your cinematic vision, without the crew, without the budget. Just you and your story. Every post needs a visual. Midjourney brings your wildest ideas to life. Flux Pro delivers quality at scale. ChatGPT and Loveit offer specialized styles. Grok C's Dream 4 and Nana Banana bring unique perspectives. Your imagination is the only limit. A great voice builds connection. 11 Labs, Minimax, Lovo, and Speechify create professional voiceovers in seconds. Hagen pairs avatar with voice. From TikToks to podcasts, your content deserves an authentic sound. Words are your most powerful tool. Jasper and Copy.ai write persuasive copy that converts. Claude and ChatGPT bring depth and nuance. Quillbot refines your message to perfection. From storytelling to sales pages, your voice just got amplified. Create once, earn forever. Gumroad and Ko-Fi let you sell directly to your community. Buy Me a Coffee builds relationships while you monetize. Stripe and Fingertip handle payments seamlessly. Your creativity deserves to be rewarded. Let's turn passion into profit. The tools are here. The potential is unlimited. Learning, creating, and living with a little magic, that's where we're headed. Now go build something amazing. Asterisk.